Okay, now I'm ready.
Hey guys, today we got a Galactic Sidekick.
We just left Star Tours and we
Oh my
actually
God,
got
it just got
all
so
new
bright.
scenes.
Hold on.
We literally
Let me
just
sunglass
got all
on.
new scenes.
Okay, these are my options.
I want.
I hope you get the cat or the stupid looking guy.
I mean, they're all cute, but yeah, they're all cute. I mean, the porg would be nice too.
Yeah, but pork's so basic. Okay, now give us a moment, guys, because we gotta keep this box nice.
No, this box I'm gonna throw away.
Oh,
We're
okay.
only keeping the. You don't need to keep the
Never
box.
mind, I don't gotta keep this box nice. I'm ripping it open.
We're not keeping the box. Just the container the pet goes in. Sorry, I'm trying to get my sunglasses out at the same time. It literally just got
so bright. Okay. Can I yank this or?
No, you gotta take it out all the way because I think like liquid disappears or something.
Liquid disappears.
I don't know, whatever the outside is.
Right.
You want to give me that?
Okay. All right, guys. The tab has mysteriously. Let's put her back in there. The tab mysteriously came out.
That's fine.
Okay, so I don't know why the tab mysteriously came out.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we've got it. Now we figure out how do we open this.
Do we need to read the
Which one do you think it is?
the chameleon? Wait, I feel like you got it. We have to. Okay, put the lid back on. We have to read the instructions. I'm pretty sure like the liquid goes down. Okay, you can take. Okay. Here, maybe it says it on here. Okay.
Hold on, guys. Let's try this again. Okay, we'll take this off. Hold on. Which one do you think it is?
I already saw there was like green on it.
How did you see?
Okay. Here's the. Okay, read the instructions. You're gonna do a twist. Could you just read the instructions? There you go. Super cute.
How do I make it go back?
I don't know if you can.
Well, where'll the liquid just go?
It's at the bottom now.
It's in here.
You don't need to open the liquid.
Look, he is cute. I like this one. He's so stupid looking. And you can take him out. I
Yes.
think. Are you happy with your purchase?
Yes. I said they
You're
were
gonna
all
add
cute.
this to your Star Wars
I
collection?
am. I said they were all cute.
Can I want to figure out how to put the liquid back.
I don't know if you can.
Go back. Go back.
I guess you can. I guess you can. All right. Okay, now he's hidden by the liquid.
Wait, you have to press this button. Oh, it's cool. It's like a stress toy. Pull her back up. Isn't that cool? This is cool. Okay. Good choices.
All right, let's go get your